Okay, now we will fix the Firefly model. Now for the 27, just the 27 lights, it will be 3 hole, and we will close this one. We will fix here the 3 arm. For another size, the 36, 45 and 54, no, we must fix here the arm. So that's why we will start with the 45 arm. It's same way. In the beginning we will take this one and we will start the first arm. It's down. This is the first arm what we will fix. Take out the screw from here and take out the ring. And fix it inside. Then return back the ring and the screw. We return it back and we fix it. We make it tie. Now this is the first one. In the column part, we take out this part, take it out. And we put this down and we take the wire from here. We put it inside, then we take the wire from this hole. It's in like this way. Then we take it to inside and also we fix it. We fix it tight to the screw down. And also in the wire, in the column, we need to take out the main wire. Keep all the parts, don't forget it, and take out the main wire and enter the main wire from this hole to inside. Like this way. We take it inside, we take it out from here. Now we have this arm and the main wire together in this way exactly. Then we start to fix the arm in the side, the round. We put here, we take out the wire to up. And we put the ring and the screw. Then we fix it tight to the arm. We make the arm and we use the tools to make it tie. Then the second arm also the same way. We put inside the hole. Then we take it to inside. We put the ring, the screw, Then we make it also here tie again. Just in the beginning you can use the hand, then use the tools to make it more tie. Try when you fix it, adjust the arm as what you want. Okay. Now we fix all the arm. This all the arm. We already fixed it together. Okay. Now we fix all the brown color. We fix it together. And the blue color we fix it together. Okay. Now we fix all the blue together and the brown all together. This is the main wire what we fixed. One of them we put it with the blue, one of them we put in the brown. No problem which one with the brown, which one with the blue. We can make like this. No problem. We put it together. And inside the backing has the plastic hut. We put, then we use any tools to press together. And be sure it's tight and it's cannot go out. All the wire, it's okay. Also another one, we fix it in another side. And inside this bag, we take this, the white hut. Just press here, make the pressing strong, then be sure it's gonna go out. Now, as what we saw, all the brown together and the blue together, and this is the main wire. We fix it with one with the blue line, one with the brown line. Now the electric, it's okay. We try to fix all to inside the ball, the gold ball. Just we take out the main column wire and we keep this space empty. So now it's ready. Now we start to fix the column to inside. We take out the parts. We put the small part. We fix the screw to inside and we make this bar, it's strong. We adjust this a little. Then we take the cover. We put the cover. And we close the pole. We can adjust this one to close the cover well. Now we close the cover. Then we take this bar. Also we enter it inside the wire. And we make it screw to inside. Then we take the part this with the iron who will hold the chandelier. After we make this part, we put the small iron and we take this part with the line what will hold the chandelier, and we take it from inside to this hole. Then we fix this up first till it will arrive a little to this area. No need we make it more up. Then we fix it to the column together. There it will be tied. We go to the main piece, the iron line. The iron line, we enter it inside and we press. Each time we press, we can take inside and it will cannot go out, just can't go inside. If we need to take it out, press here, then you can take out. Press here, then you can take out. Take out this iron part for the ceiling. Now we take this part, we fix it in the ceiling to fix this one. Okay, now here we put the wire and the electric wire, we put it inside. Then we adjust how long we need by this iron wire. Then here we can find the ground wire and the electric wire. Now we take the lamp inside with the two holes. This okay. Then we fix all the lamp one by one to inside the chandelier. Now we fix all the bulb inside. We need to try. We try now. All the lamp is okay. Then we take the glass and just we put it and we push to be strong. In this way. And we fix all the glass in the same way. Just push this one, just put it and push. Thank you. HaffaR Lighting always give you best service.